How to open an account on USAA Bank. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on USAA Bank. USAA Bank, formerly known as United Services Automobile Association. It is a financial services company that primarily serves members of the military, veterans and their families. Here's how you can create an account on it. First of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I am launching my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, at the search bar, you need to type in usaa.com. Once you have entered this URL, now press the go button of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of USAA Bank. Here, once you reach to the official website of USAA Bank, you will land on this page. Here you need to ensure that you meet all the eligibility requirements. Primarily, USAA serves military members, veterans and their families. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to choose the type of account you want to open, whether checking, savings or other financial products. When you scroll down on this page, you'll be able to see these tips on how you can open an account. Here you will need to look for this Join USAA or Apply Now button. Once you find it, you will need to tap on it. This will direct you to the application process. Once you reach to this page, here tap on this register button at the top right, and once you do that, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to scroll down and choose how do you like to verify your account. If you have your USAA number, you can use that. If not, you can also use social security number or tax ID number. Once you select the option, now you will need to enter the social security number or tax ID number in this box. Select your country and then enter your phone number. After that, tap on this text enroll link. Now a secure link will be sent to your number. You will need to check your device. Once you get that message, you will need to click on that link and then from there you will be able to complete your enrollment using your mobile device. Also note that the link will expire 10 minutes after you request it. Here, if the link expires, you can also tap on this recent link button right here and then get the link. Using the link, you will be able to proceed further in the creation of USAA Bank account. Once after you created the account, you will need to be prepared to make an initial deposit, which can vary by the account type. Review all the entered information for accuracy and then you can submit your application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your application. So by following these steps, you can successfully open an account on USAA Bank and start managing your finances effectively. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.